In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an engaging before-after slider for your Behance portfolio. This is a fantastic way to showcase your creative processes, allowing potential clients and collaborators to see the transformation of your work from start to finish. Let's dive right in and get started on bringing your project presentations to life. First, you'll want to ensure you have two versions of an image ready, your before and after shots. These images should be of the same dimensions for a seamless transition. Once you have these prepared, head over to Behance and log into your account if you haven't already. Navigate to your project editor. This is where the magic happens, and we'll begin by setting the stage for your before-after slider. In the project editor, find the section where you want to insert your slider. Consider the flow of your gallery, ensuring it's in a spot where the viewer can fully appreciate the transformative effect. Next, you'll need an external tool such as Juxtapose.js, a simple-to-use tool for creating sliders. Open it in a new tab. In Juxtapose.js, you'll see options to upload your images. First, upload your before image. This is typically the starting piece that sets the stage for what comes next. Then, upload your after image, which should reflect all the improvements and changes you've implemented. Once both images are uploaded, you'll see the slider in action. Take a moment to adjust the captions if you want to add context, such as what tools or techniques were used to achieve the transformation. Captions provide viewers with valuable insights that can enhance their appreciation of the creative process. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks on the preview, go ahead and click the Create or Generate button. This will produce an embed code that you'll need to copy. Now, navigate back to your Behance project editor and get ready to embed the slider. Look for an option to add or insert code, usually found in the form of a button or a dedicated embed feature. Paste the embed code you just copied from Juxtapose.js into this section. Before moving forward, preview how it looks within your project to confirm that the slider is functioning properly and that the images display as intended. Once you're confident in the appearance and the functionality, save your project. Take this opportunity to run through your project as a visitor would. Ensure the slider not only works but also complements the narrative or story you're telling through your visuals. By following these instructions, you've successfully added a dynamic before-after slider to your Behance portfolio. This will help differentiate your work and engage your audience in a deeper way, allowing them to appreciate the full spectrum of your creative journey. Thank you for watching, and keep exploring ways to enhance your projects on Behance.